Jackie, what do you think of this song? Huh?
How do you think?
I think that you're gonna have a hit record. You gotta thank Lisa Ratner for this. You know that, right?
She doesn't want you to shoot her.
I'll just take the back of her head. Hi, Lise. Well, you have a beautiful studio.
Come join me in my fantasy. Step out of space and time. There's only one thing left to do. So if you wouldn't mind, kiss me in the rain and make me feel.
Hey, Jack, how do you feel doing a Barbra Streisand song? Huh?
Awesome.
Tired. But here's this morning. Well, listen to what you got. You got a lot accomplished. Not done yet, but close. There's Barbra Streisand's gold record. Good job, Jackie. And Lisa. Wow, you guys did a great job tonight. You singing, babe. Sound fantastic.